Okay, sorry about this. This is on my phone instead of my camcorder, but I'm doing a 12 horse transplant into my Simplicity 707, and I'm taking the motor. It's out of a older Craftsman Companion. I'm going to be putting that into my 707. Now, if you ever think of doing this, this is the pulley configuration on the Craftsman. To get that off, I got a set screw. It's down in the hole, 5/8 head. I just put a pipe wrench on the shaft, spun it out. With any luck, yeah, it pops right off there, so you can change out pulleys. Looks like it's still got a 1" diameter shaft, so I can be able to take the pulleys off of my other motor. And it looks like it might be a fairly easy transplant to get this 12 horse into there. Okay, check back in a little bit. Motor off the 707. That's the pulleys I'm going to use. So first thing we want to do is get a measurement of where that bottom pulley has to be, which is roughly 3/4 of an inch. You want to make sure the pulleys are in the same place, or else your belt's not going to line up. Okay, so I got my pulleys off the motor, got my my keys. So pretty much we're going to just stick the keys in the keyway. This is really fun one-handed. The nice thing with this Simplicity, both pulleys are the same size, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna set those keys. Whatever you do, don't hit the shaft. Just get your keys set nicely. And now I'll put the pulleys on. While you're doing this, this pulley doesn't want to go up. Don't hammer on it, because you'll bend the lips and everything. Your pulley, it'll start chewing up belts. Easiest way, let's see if I can do this, is get a socket that will fit the shaft. Slide that over, then tap on the socket. Make sure you put the pulley on the right direction. As you'll notice, I had to turn it around. Make sure your spacing is correct, which, not that you can quite read that. It needs to go up just a smidgen, then I'm going to tighten it down. After doing a preliminary measurement between this body and this one, it looks like the holes are actually going to line up, so it's pretty much bolt in. The only difference is the Craftsman actually runs a 3/8 bolt. And what the heck that is. Anyway, my Craftsman runs a 3/8 bolt on the engine. This one ran a 5/16, so I just got to drill the holes out to 3/8, and hopefully that will bolt right in. So this is kind of where I'm at. Bolted right in. However, I did realize one thing. It's an 11 horse. The problem is it is a little bit longer, being it's longer stroke. The motor itself is longer, so things don't quite line up like they used to. So my hood is off a little bit, but if I attach the front, all I'm using it for is plowing snow and stuff. So, but it will fit. You just got to play with it a little bit. So I went ahead and hooked up my fuel lines, got the battery in it, and we have no exhaust on it, so I'm going to set you over here and hopefully can get you, hopefully that don't tip over, but anyway, this is the result of my endeavors. I was going to try to talk through that, but unfortunately with no exhaust on this thing, it's so loud that you can't hear me, so I'll probably go down tomorrow and get a muffler for it. I still got to hook the exhaust or the throttle up, and I'll put a kill switch in it. But I think this is going to become my Franken tractor, so we'll see what it comes out to be. Anyway, well, that's what I accomplished today.